How to turn off flashlight using power button on Samsung. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your settings. After that, go to advanced settings. Now go to side key. After that, toggle this double press on, and then here you will see an option of open app, and then if you have selected torch, in order to deselect it or switch to any other app, what you will have to do is select any other app, then torch. You can select YouTube or whatever, but simply remove torch, and that will fix your problem. Or you can simply toggle this double press icon off and you will be done. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.